A Walmart pharmacy prescription transfer can take different amounts of time depending on how quickly the current pharmacy sends the prescription information, and how soon Walmart pharmacy receives and processes it. By the end, you'll know what affects prescription transfer timing, what steps to take if the transfer is delayed, and how to check the status without repeating the process unnecessarily. The transfer process starts when you request Walmart Pharmacy to move your prescription from another pharmacy. Walmart Pharmacy needs information about the prescription, the medication, and the pharmacy currently holding the prescription before the transfer can be completed. The fastest way to avoid delays is to provide accurate details when you request the transfer. Have the name and location of your current pharmacy, the prescription information if available, and your personal details ready. The current pharmacy also plays a role because the prescription information must be sent before Walmart Pharmacy can fill the request. If the information is incomplete or requires clarification, the transfer may take longer. If your prescription transfer is taking longer than expected, check the status with Walmart Pharmacy first. Ask whether they received the transfer request and whether any additional information is needed. If Walmart Pharmacy has not received the prescription information, contact your previous pharmacy. Confirm that the transfer request was received, and ask whether they have completed their part of the process. Another common issue is requesting a transfer for a prescription that cannot be moved in the same way as other prescriptions. Some medications have additional rules, so the pharmacy may need extra steps before completing the request. Keep your prescription details organized before starting the transfer. Knowing the medication name, the pharmacy information, and your account details helps both pharmacies locate the correct prescription. Using the Walmart Pharmacy app, or contacting the pharmacy directly, can help you get updates on your prescription status. Check the information available before submitting another request because multiple requests can create confusion. The main points are simple. Prescription transfer timing depends on communication between pharmacies and the accuracy of the information provided. Check with Walmart Pharmacy first if the transfer is delayed. Contact your previous pharmacy if the prescription information has not been sent. Your next step is to gather your prescription details and confirm the transfer status with Walmart Pharmacy. If this guide helped you understand Walmart Pharmacy prescription transfers, like the video and subscribe for more pharmacy and customer support guides.